Hello my dear students, today we are doing again nature of roots of quadratic equation and find the value of k from exercise 4F, Ambush Maths book class 10. Question number 4, find the value of k for which the equations have real and equal roots. Sub number 5. So in our last lesson, I have explained question number 4, sub number 1 and sub number 4. So today is 5. So find the value of k for which the equation have real and equal roots. So we have to remember the condition for real and equal roots. So we write here for real and equal roots what is the condition? D means discriminant must be equal to 0. So what is the formula for D? Think the formula for D, b square minus 4ac is equal 0. So we will calculate b square minus 4ac from this equation. So let us see what are a, b, c. Coefficient of x square is a, 4. Coefficient of x is b, it is minus 2 into k plus 1. And constant, that means which has no x, that is our c. So k plus 4. So let's see here, b square, b is minus 2 into k plus 1, the coefficient of x. So b square will be minus 2 into k plus 1, then whole square with this third bracket. Then minus 4a is 4, coefficient of x square, and c is constant which has no x. Look here, k plus 4. This is our c is equal 0. This is equal 0. Now we will multiply this. Minus 2 whole square, it will be 4. And then here is k plus 1 whole square. We can use the formula k plus 1 whole square. We will use the formula a plus b whole square. It will be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. So we are closing this bracket. Then minus, here is, say this 4 remain. This multiply by 4, it will be 4k plus 4 into 4 is 16 is equal 0. And now what we see, look this term 4 into k square plus 2 into k into 1 plus 1 square. Here 4 is common, and in this second part also there is 4 common. So we can make the equation simple by dividing the terms by 4. So it will be, if we divide here by 4, it will be k square, here this one multiply 2k, 2 into k into 1 plus 1 square is 1, minus, so here also we divide by 4, so this 4 will change into 1, so it will remain here minus 4k plus 16 is equal 0. So we have divided both sides by 4. So here no more 4 and here also no more 4. And this 0 also we have divided by 4. So now next is k square plus 2k plus 1. Complete this multiplication. Minus 4k minus into plus is minus 16 is equal 0. Or here k square, so add and subtract the similar terms. So plus 2k minus 4k, so plus 2k minus 4k, if we subtract it will be 2k. The bigger number is minus, here is minus 2k. Plus 1 minus 16, this also plus 1 minus 16 will be, subtract 1 from 16, it will be 15, and the bigger number is minus, this will be minus is equal 0. And now this one we can factorize by splitting the middle term. We can factorize by using quadratic formula also. So this is a simple one. Let us factorize by splitting the middle term. So look at the constant 15. Multiply two number, make 15. This is minus 15. So multiply two number, make minus 15. It can be 5 and 3. These numbers add to make minus 2. So these numbers, if we add, we have to take them minus 5 plus 3. So it will be minus 2. So we write here k square. In place of minus 2k, we will write minus 5k plus 3k. Minus 5k plus 3k. Minus 15 is equal 0. And take from the first two terms, k square minus 5k. We see the common is k. Here k square and here is minus 5k. K is common. We can divide both of them by k. So here divide by k, there will be another k. Here divide by k, here will be 5. Plus this and this, 3k and 15 we can divide by 3. So our common is 3. So here divide by 3, it will be k. Here divide by 3, it will be 5. Sign will be plus into minus is equal 0. Then next line is, see here k minus 5, here also k minus 5. We can take them common. So it is k minus 5 and here is remain k and here is plus 3 is equal 0. And from here you will get the value of k. Let us look this part here. Or we can say this k minus 5 equal 0. K minus 5 is equal 0. So or this k plus 3 equal 0. K plus 3 equal 0. K plus 3 equal 0. So we will have here k is equal plus 5. Take it right side. And from here k will be minus 3. Take plus 3 right side. K is minus 3. So our answer we can say k is equal 5 and k is equal minus 3. That is our answer. So look at the next question, number 6. So to do number 6, similar question. So find the value of k for which the equation has real and equal roots. So our condition is same. We can write for real and equal roots. Real and equal roots. What is the condition? We have to write it. Condition is d is equal 0. And then what is the formula for d? B square minus 4ac is equal 0. Then calculate this b square minus 4ac. Look at the equation. What are a, b, c? A is coefficient of x square, it is k square, and b is coefficient of x, it is minus 2 into 2k minus 1, and c is 4. So let us here b square, it is minus 2 into 2k minus 1. This is our b, coefficient of x. Then b square will be, use here third bracket because already first bracket is there. So this is b square minus 4, this 4 will come and write the value of a, it is k square, and then write the value of c, it is 4. Then is equal 0, is equal 0. Then next line, it will be minus 2 whole square, it will be 4, and inside here 2k minus 1 whole square we will take. So use a minus b whole square formula. So it is a square 2k whole square. Then here we have to use a bracket because of this 2k whole square. then minus 2a, a is 2k and b is 1, plus b square. This is the formula. Then we close the third bracket. See here again, 2k minus 1 whole square we are using. Here is minus 2 whole square, it is 4. And 2k minus 1 whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is 2k and b is 1. Then minus this one 4 and multiply k square and 4. It will be 4k square, suppose inside the bracket. 4k square. So 1 4 we multiply, another 4 remain. And now see what is in both the parts. In this first part here there is 1 4 and here also there is 1 4. So we can divide both by 4. Left side and right side, this 4 will cancel. So we will remain here, multiply 4k square. This one by multiplying 4k square. Here multiply 2 into 2, 4 into 1, 4k. Then plus 1 square is 1, minus, here you see we have divided by 4, so this 4k square will remain only, is equal 0. So you see here the point must be clear. In the first part you see here there is a 4 common, and in this second part also there is 4 common. So what we do, we divide both left side and right side by 4. So here if we divide by 4, so this 4 suppose cancel, then remain this inside the bracket, we multiply and write it. And here also this 4 will cancel, remain this minus 4k square is equal 0. And look the next part, I do it here, the next part. So see what will happen, look here again, 4k square is plus and 4k square is minus, we can cancel them. 4k square plus and 4k square minus, we can cancel them. So here remain minus 4k plus 1. So we can write here minus 4k plus 1 is equal 0. So next line, minus 4k, to find the value of k, take this one right side, it will be minus 1. 0 has no value, so take it right side, minus 1. We can cancel this minus and minus from left and right. So we get k is equal, this 1 divided by 4, it will be 1 by 4. And that is the value of k. K is equal 1 by 4. We can write the answer. So next we will do next questions 5. So look question number 5. Find the values of k for which the quadratic equation has real roots. The quadratic equation has real roots. Look at this part, real roots. And you remember the nature of roots. See, what was the nature of roots? Nature of roots of a quadratic equation. So we explained it before. If d greater than 0, roots are what? Real and distinct. So we explained it before. And number 2, if d equals 0, roots are real and equal. And number 3 is if d less than 0, there is no real roots, so no real roots. Now see this question, the quadratic equation has real roots. In condition 1 and 2, look here, condition 1. D greater than 0, roots are real. D equals 0 also, roots are real. So real roots we can get when d greater than 0 and d equals 0. So we can make one short condition, say number 4. D greater than equal 0, roots are what? Real. From 1 and 2, combining 1 and 2, we can make the condition d greater than equal 0, the roots will be real. Two roots are real. So here we will apply this condition 4, suppose d greater than equal 0 for real roots. So we write here, for real roots, what is the condition? D will be greater than equal 0. So what is d? B square minus 4ac greater than equal 0. So calculate b square minus 4ac. What is b here? K. K whole square minus 4. What is a? It is 2. And what is c? It is 3. Look here, ABC. A is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is 3. So here is greater than equal 0. So now we multiply here. K whole square is k square minus 4 into 2, 8 into 3, 24, greater than equal 0. Or we get k square greater than equal, take this minus 24 right side, it will be plus 24. 0 has no value. And from k square, when we find k, it will be like this. K greater than equal, it is square root 24. This is plus square root 24. Or we will have k less than equal minus square root 24. Not like equation. In case of equation, suppose x square equal 4, we write what? X is equal plus minus square root 4. But this is in equation connected by greater than or connected by smaller than. We cannot write plus and minus together. So we have to write plus square root 4, suppose here, and minus square root 4, suppose here, separately. And when we take minus square root 24, this greater than symbol will change into smaller than. So it will become k less than equal minus square root 24. And now from here, k greater than equal square root 24. This one we can factorize like this. By 2 is 12, by 2 is 6, and by 2 is 3. So for 2, 1, 2 will come outside the square root, and this 2 and 3, they will remain inside the square root. So it will be 6. Then outside the square root will be 2. We will write here 2 square root 6. And here also k will be less than equal minus, this minus will remain 2 square root 6. So these are the answer for k. K greater than equal to root 6 or k less than equal minus to root 6. These are the answer for the sum. And look this question number 3. For question number 3, let's see that. For question number 3, same condition. Find the values of k for which the equation has real roots. So we write the condition for real roots. We write here for real roots. What is the condition? D should be greater than equal 0. And then what is the formula for D? B square minus 4AC greater than equal 0. Then calculate b square minus 4ac. What is b? It is 2 whole square minus 4. What is a? It is 3. And what is c? It is k greater than equal 0. Then or multiply 2 whole square, it is 4. Then 4 into 3, 12k greater than equal 0. Then or minus 12k, take the 4 right side, greater than equal, take it right side, minus 4. So 0 has no value, no need of writing. And now when minus 12k, when k will be minus, we have to make it plus in this way. Multiply both sides by minus, it will be plus 12k. And here it will be plus 4. But we have to remember, when we multiply both sides by minus, this greater than symbol will change into smaller than. Greater than change into smaller than, and equal is here like this. So we get 12k less than equal 4. Then you find the value of k from here. K less than equal this 4 divided by 12. So we will get k is equal, therefore k less than equal, cancel by 4, it is 1, and here is what? 3 will come. So k less than equal 1 by 3. K less than equal 1 by 3. That is the answer. So remember, when k will come with minus in case of this greater than equal or smaller than equal. So when we multiply both sides by minus, then what will happen? This symbol will change. If here is greater than, it will change into smaller than. If there is smaller than, it will change into greater than. So here this question is greater than, so change into smaller than. So this is 12k smaller than equal 4, k smaller than equal 4 divided by 12, then k smaller than equal cancel by 4 1, and here is 3. That is the answer. And look quickly this question number 4. In the same way we can write for real roots. For real roots, what is the condition? D must be greater than equal 0. So write the formula for D: b square minus 4ac greater than equal 0. Or what is b? It is k whole square minus 4. What is a? It is 2. And what is c? It is 4 greater than equal 0. Then or multiply here, k whole square will be k square, 4 into 2 8 into 4 32 greater than equal 0. Then or k square greater than equal, take minus 32 right side, it will be plus 32. Then or k square, from k square we have to find k. So like question number 1. So when we take plus square root 32 plus square root 32, the symbol remains same, or then k will be less than equal when we take minus square root 32, same as question number 1. And then or k greater than equal, so for 32 do this factorization. By 2 is 16, by 2 is 8, and by 2 is 4, and by 2 is 2. So we can take for 2 2, 1 2 will come outside the square root. For another 2 2, 1 2 will come outside the square root, and this 2 will remain inside. So we will write 2 into 2, 4. 4 will come outside the square root, and this 2 will remain inside. 4 root 2, and from here will be k less than equal minus the same 4 root 2. The same 4 root 2, and this will be the answer of the sum. So thank you for today. We will discuss again in the next lesson.